Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clothing store on Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. From there, start by setting up your store name, branding, and basic settings to match your clothing brand identity. Next, go to the Products section and click Add a Product. This is where you will list your clothing items, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or hats. Now, upload high-quality images of your clothing. Make sure your photos clearly show the product, ideally using models or clean flat lay shots to make your store look professional. After that, add a strong product title and a detailed description. Include important details like size, material, fit, color options, and care instructions. Next, set up your product variations if needed, such as different sizes like small, medium, large, or different colors. Then, set your pricing based on your costs and profit goals, making sure your prices are competitive but still profitable. Once everything is ready, review your product listings and click Save to publish them to your store. Finally, customize your store design in the Shop Designer to match your clothing brand and create a clean, attractive storefront. And that's it. You've successfully created a clothing store on Big Cartel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.